What's the meaning of congenitally? Congenitally. Congenitally.
Congenitally. Congenitally. The term congenitally refers to a condition or characteristic that is present at birth, usually due to genetic factors or prenatal development. Congenital conditions can range from minor abnormalities to serious medical conditions that affect a person's health and well-being throughout their life. These conditions may also impact the person's ability to perform certain tasks or activities, depending on the severity of the condition. Examples of congenital conditions include heart defects, cleft palate, and Down syndrome. Overall, the term congenitally describes a condition or characteristic that is present in an individual from birth.